Thanks for scowling.
Hey Daniel, who loves you? Who else?
Ah, careful with the raisins.
Who else loves you, Daniel?
What are you doing?
What do you want?
Did you lose a raisin?
You gonna have more milk?
Wawa.
You want Wawa, no milk?
Wawa milk. Wawa.
That's milk. Have some milk.
Wawa.
That's not milk. That's not Wawa. That's milk. Try some milk.
You don't want the milk?
Do you want me to get you some Wawa? What do you want? Wawa?